Hello everyone, I'm Tony. Today we're learning how to ask for and understand directions in English. Very useful when you travel. So let's imagine you're in a new city. You don't know where the train station is. What do you say? So here are some useful questions. Excuse me, where is the bus station? How do I get to the train station? Which bus goes to the city centre? Is this the right platform for London? So to check, you can say, so I take the number 10 bus, right? So let's repeat after me. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? How do I get to the airport? Is this the train to Cardiff? If I want the airport, can I ask, how do I get to the airport? Yes. So some typical responses, what you might hear. So people often say, go straight ahead, turn left, it's on the right, get off at the third stop. So repeat with me, go straight ahead, turn left, get off at the third stop. If someone says turn left, do you go right? No. So let's do a short role play. So you say, excuse me, how do I get to the train station? The local person says, go straight ahead, then turn left. It's about 5 minutes. You? Thank you very much. Local? You're welcome. So today you learned how to ask, excuse me, where is... You learned how to check, is this the right... And you understand the answers. Go straight, turn left, get off at. Now you can travel more confidently in English. That's it for today's lesson. If you're on YouTube, practice these phrases out loud and check out my other videos for more everyday English. See you next time.